guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I have a fun cutout for you guys today. It is kind of a quilt pattern, kind of a boho pattern, kind of stained glass. It could really be so many things, but I'm going to be painting it with Dixie Belle chalk paint, of course, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the brushes I'm using and the cutout. This cutout is a paint by line, so all the lines are etched into it for you. You don't have to worry about freehanding anything or going in and tracing anything. It's already done for you. And so for the top part of this sign, I have used Peacock and Dixie Belle Blue. So what I'm kind of trying to think of here is sky. So this is going to be my sky section, and then I'm going to go in with Limeade and Evergreen for the grass. That's going to be the bottom portion of this. And throughout my painting so far, I have used a number 12 flat. If you feel more comfortable swapping to a smaller brush, you absolutely can. But as you can tell, I'm not really worried about getting outside the lines like you see on the cross, because I know I'm going to cover that up with paint in a minute here, and it's not going to really matter. It also saves time to not have to be super tedious around some of those details. So again, this is Evergreen I'm going in with here. And in order to use the same brush throughout my painting, I like to keep a bowl of water and some paper towels around. I'm just going to rinse my brush off, dry it, and it's ready to go. I'm using putty for this center piece of the cross. And then I'm going to use chocolate for the vertical piece of the cross. And again, you guys, I'm using Dixie Belle chalk paint in this video. Pretty much all of my videos you'll see I'll be using this paint. It's just my go-to, mainly because the coverage is excellent. It also has zero VOCs, which is the chemicals that are released into the air as paint dries. Most paints have some sort of chemical, but these do not, and it really is important to me when I'm using paint every single day. So it's just kind of a nice added touch, but I'm telling you, the coverage is what has me hooked on this paint. I'm going to go around the edges of my cutout and paint that section in putty. And then you guys, after that, I'm actually going to be done. I'm not doing any sort of outlining or highlighting on this, which is very unusual for me. But just this style of cutout, I kind of felt like it looked perfect and finished as is. So if you want to go in and add some extra finishing, outlining, whatever, that would be fine as well. But I chose not to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.